Timing belt cover for Ford Ranger 2.0 2018 up as long as 2.0. Ito yon. Okay, so open natin. So ito siya. This is brand new. Okay. There you go. Timing belt cover ng Ford Ranger 2.0. Okay. Yan. Oil seals are intact. Okay. This one. So intact siya. Okay. This one. Lata to guys. Lata. Okay. There you go. This is going to General Trias Cavite. So, thank you for ordering again at Cargasan PH. Maraming salamat po.